Welcome to my art integrated project, and this is Pradiksha. Subject is social, topic is brief about historical monuments. So let us explore the best historic monuments in our country. So coming to the first one, Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is a monument which is built with white marble stone, and it is built in the year between 1631 and 1648 by our Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his beautiful wife. And this is the picture which I've taken when I visited Taj Mahal. And this Taj Mahal is also one of the seven wonders. So this is the Hawa Mahal. So Hawa Mahal is also known as the place of winds or the place of breeze. It is situated in the place of Jaipur, India. Approximately it takes 300 kilometers from Delhi, which is our capital, and it is built with red and pink sandstone, and it sits on the city palace Jaipur. So this is Lotus Temple. Even I've visited Lotus Temple. It is located in Delhi, India, and it is built in the year month December in the year 1986, and it is built in the structure of a lotus, and background there will be pond. And if we enter into the temple, actually there will be no god inside it, so we have to meditate after going inside. And it is built in such a way that if we enter inside, there we will get some like waves breeze from the windows, such a way that we get like automatically we get meditation. And even this temple received many awards. So this is Thousand Pillar Temple. So Thousand Pillar Temple, which is very near to my native place, which is Warangal, and this temple is built with 1,000 pillars and located at the base of Hanmakonda Hill, and it was built in the 12th century by Kakatiya king, who is Rudradeva, and this temple is dedicated to the god Lord Shiva. So the fifth monument is Charminar. Charminar is in the sense four minarets in the sense pillars, and it is constructed in the year 1591. It is a monument and mosque located in Hyderabad, Telangana, India, where we all live. And the landmark has become known globally as a symbol of Hyderabad, and it is listed among the most recognized structures in India. So Charminar is situated in the east bank of Musi River. Red Fort. So Red Fort in the sense is a historical monument which is situated in old Delhi area. It was constructed by Shah Jahan in the year of 1639, and every year in our India, Prime Minister unfurls the national flag here on the Independence Day. And inside the Red Fort there are many like museums. And the seventh monument is Golden Temple. So the Golden Temple is also known as Harimandir Sahib, in the sense abode of God, and Darbar Sahib meaning exalted court. So is a Gurudwara located in the city of Amritsar, Punjab, India, and it is like in this temple all the rituals are followed by Sikhs, and everyone are allowed in this temple, inside the temple. So this is India Gate. So India Gate is located in the center of New Delhi, and New Delhi is our capital of India, and it is made by Edwin Lutyens in the year 1921. This landmark in Delhi commemorates the members of the Indian Army who have sacrificed their lives fighting for our Indian Empire with Afghanistan in the World War I. So this is Konark Sun Temple. So Konark Sun Temple is the most popular tourist destination in Cuttack, Odisha. So this temple is built in the 13th century, and it is dedicated to all the Hindus and to the sun god. It is shaped in the Gain chariot, and this temple is known for the exhaust stone carvings that cover the entire structure. So this is Qutub Minar. So the Qutub Minar is the towering of 73 meters high tower built by Qutb-ud-Din Aibak in the year 1193. So the tower was built to celebrate Muslims' dominance in Delhi after the defeat of Delhi's last Hindu ruler. The first three stones of the Qutub Minar are made of the Qutub Minar are of red sandstone, and the last two are made of marble and sandstone. My project outcomes are: I have gone through many new techniques of editing, and I even knew about great historical places in our country. Thank you, Ravi sir, for giving this interesting topic. It was very helpful. Thank you. Have a nice day.